Y'all are back. It's good to see y'all. Let's see. I got a Powerade to drink. It's the lemon flavored one. Powerade's okay. Don't drink it a whole lot. And I got Jersey Mike's. Oh, an awesome friend of mine, Susie, brought me some Jersey Mike's today. Let's see if we can get a good shot. I love Jersey Mike's. Still can't get quite a great shot. Looks like there's a lot of mayonnaise on it. Looks pretty good. I'm happy as happy can be. I love my sandwich from Mike Jersey. I'll try not to sing. Oh, I love Mike's. So I hope you all have an awesome day. It's raining here. I like lemonade with a sandwich. Some other foods, pizza. I'm just gonna have milk with it now. Or some on Gatorade, Powerade. Or I figured I had that. So my awesome friend Susie went to town. And this awesome sub. She brought back her sub actually. She shared it with me. She called me and said, meet me down the corner and I'll give you half my sub. I'm like, alright. She's a Jersey Mike fan. A lot of people are. I have some tooth issues the last couple of days. Don't chew that great. Take care of your teeth when you're young. You need them. I like to chew ice when I was young, and it wasn't good to do. Way the wrong thing. Broke up my teeth, caused cavities. Now I can't eat subs that great, and meats and other things. You don't realize that until you get older. You don't listen when you're a kid. So I hope everybody's having a great day. I'm glad I get to eat something. Onions! I love them. Let's call my friend Susie. She's a good friend. She helps take care of my sister and my mom. Been doing it for a long time. We've been friends forever. Thanks, Sue. I'm enjoying that sub. Well, last time I was at Jersey Mike's, I paid it forward. Oh, she did get tomato on it. I was worried. Looks yummy. Anyway, last time I was at Jersey Mike's, I paid it forward with a kid's meal for anybody that might be hungry. They're only $5, and I couldn't afford a lot, but I guess I got my sub back today. Well, that's sweet. I wasn't expecting Jersey Mike's. Alright. Double bonus lunchtime. Made a video before this one. Or that one. Forgot to turn on the dang camera. I was going to go out and get a little more farming stuff done, but as soon as I thought about getting out there, it started pouring, so I'm kind of glad I didn't get out there when I was going to. That's really good. Our chicken wings last night, they were good. Place called Fish Heads. My brother called Darren and come on, eat. I sent him a picture. He's like, oh man, I'm hungry for wings for weeks. You're mean. I'm sorry. He lives in the city. I'm sure he knows good places to, dozen places to get wings. I love Jersey Mike's. Not so much on the tuna fish. I like the turkey subs, the ham subs, the club subs are good. Hey, old man. What are you doing, old man? You're the cutest little dog in the world. I'll show you old man sometime. Right now, though. Call one of our dogs old man. We'll call him something else. I can't remember what it was. But we got in the cabin called old man because he's the oldest one. I think it's the only boy dog. Only boy dog in the house, anyway. Or on the farm. Lily! The biggest dog, Lily. I have 4 dogs. I have old man. He's a spaniel looking dog with long ears, floppy ears. Then I have another dog that's kind of big, but she's a Chihuahua mix. How she got so big, I don't know. Mama was a little dog. Her name is Minnie, and I call her the weather dog because if it's raining, gonna rain, she knows. You can tell how bad it's going to be from which part of the house she's in. If she's over that way, it's not going to be so bad. But if she's in the middle kitchen, it's going to have thunder and lightning. If she's in the hallway, then it's going to be really bad, pouring down rain. If she's in the bedroom under the bed, or not under the bed, but under whatever she can get under then there, then it's really going to be bad. So she hates the weather. And then I got Lily. She's my biggest dog. Found her on a dirt road. Actually, found all these dogs. Lily's my dirt road dog. Found her on a dirt road. My friend had brought me this awesome sandwich, which y'all can see. It's pretty good. Anyway, her name's Susie. She brought me Lily. Not brought me. She called me one day. She was down the road. She wasn't feeling great. She was having a problem with her foot. Saw this puppy run across the dirt road in the bushes. People around here think they got puppies they can't do nothing with. They gotta take them, drop them all on the dirt road. Puppies can't survive on the dirt road. This puppy was poor and skinny, poor thing. Oh my goodness. She was stuck under a barbed wire fence where she was running to hide. When I got her out, it was just terrible. She was so thin, scared. So I took her home, and now she's a huge Labrador retriever. I thought she was gonna be a small dog, but she ended up small. But I love my Lily dog. She's a good. And then there's Gidget. Gidget's my Big Lots dog. I found her in a Big Lots store, running across the parking lot into the road in the rain. She ran out from me. I beat the horn. She ran back into the parking lot. Of course, I pulled her around and picked her up because I felt bad for her. And I'm not going to leave some poor little dog out in the rain in the parking lot, alone and scared. Especially a puppy. She's just a little puppy. She's a real small dog. Like a little boxer. Chihuahua mix probably because she's real small. She's my favorite dog. Minnie, old man. I got old man. He's another stray. Found him in front of the one local restaurant in town. He was just sitting there, hanging around, following people back and forth. And I asked everybody if he belonged to anybody. And he was right there next to the road in front of the building. I hated to leave him there, so he lives with us now. And we had a different name for him. I can't remember what it was. Anyway, we call him old man. He's a good dog. He's pretty quiet. But he has to be shaved every once in a while, so I have a grooming job now. Okay, I don't have a napkin. I got my bird Fred. my aunt named her. She thought that she was a boy. So I call her Freddie, or Fred for short. She's a good bird, had her a long time. She's a beautiful bird. She likes to laugh, sing and talk. Says a lot of things. I got ponies. I got, let's see. 6 in the front, between minis and ponies in the front pasture. I have, Tinkerbell, she's the littlest. And then a little pony named Cricket, she's cute. And then there's a little pony that I rescued. His name is Ace, and he's black, and he's a really, really old pony. I rescued him. Him and a huge white horse that was with him when I got them. And then I rehabilitated the other horse into a nicely weighted, great-looking horse, and found her a good home. She's doing good. I named her Angel. She's a beautiful white horse. So I rehabbed her. She looked better when she left, way better. She looked awesome. And the little girl that got her really loves her, so I'm glad for that. And then I have Pebbles. Pebbles. I did a video on Pebbles. I'll probably post here eventually on all my horses. Pebbles. Oh, and I have Honey Buns. Honey is kind of one of the biggest ponies I have. I got her. She was definitely a rescue. She came with another black pony that I also rescued. His name is SpongeBob. He's a cool pony. He's a little stallion, so he doesn't kind of live separate from the other ponies. And Honey's a good pony, but she must have been severely beat or rough something, because she's just so hard to get close to. I'm the only one that can catch her or pet her. I rescued her. She's gonna stay here forever. I'm pulling all these ponies until I'm gone anyway. Where else? That's a little parakeet. Hear him in the back. His name is Clyde. I got him because I gave my other bird away, Popeye, because he was driving me crazy, screaming "Mom." I get into my cousin Jackie. Hey, Jackie. And she's taking really good care of him. Taking real good care of him. He's doing good. He loves her and her husband, Mickey. He loves Mickey. So, Popeye the bird is on Amazon. My bird Freddie's in Amazon. And my little bird, I got him, his little mate flew away. Her name was Bonnie. Bonnie and Clyde, of course. So now I just have Clyde. I got Clyde to go with my bird Fred, because I didn't want her to be lonely. You don't want to have just one bird. She loves Clyde. But, what else I got? Worm farm. Got worms. Then I got 2 ponies over on the side. They're stallions. And they were both born here. One was born to Honey Buns, which is the mother of the one. And the other one got caught by the other pony that I have here that's a stallion by accident, so now I have an extra pony, but I don't like to breed ponies or anything, but it happened, and I'm going to do about it once it happens, so. What else? Oh. SpongeBob in the back, that's the dad of the pony. I got Spirit, which is a little pony born the same time Spirit was out, the horse. That little cartoon, that's a cool cartoon. And he looks just like the Spirit on the cartoon. And then I had Charlie Brown, which is a little paint pony. He's red and white. He's really, really pretty. And then I have multiple chickens. Excuse me. Multiple chickens. 1 rooster. Used to have 2. One was named Obama, my little black rooster. A bigger rooster named the kid's name Frog, so I left that his name. I let the kids name him. My little friend Tina, she's my little farm helper. She was here. That's a couple of years long ago. And No, I have 3 ducks. I have 1 male, I call Trump, a little white duck. And then my other 2 I call Mama Duck. And then my other duck I call Bruce, because she was a girl duck, but when I didn't have a boy duck for a long time, she turned into a boy duck. So it happens, I guess. I watched a YouTube video about it. So she turned into a boy, so I named her Bruce, if you have an idea why. And this sub is doing pretty good. Almost down to the end of it here. Doing more talking than eating, I think. I'm getting hungry. I'll have some lunch with somebody out there. Hope y'all have something good, not sitting around hungry. Man, it's coming down. Nope, this is rainy, windy. It's going to though. So, cats. I have cats too. I have that cat, which is a white cat with a black mask. And then I have O.J. Simpson, which is a red and white cat, or white and red cat, whichever. I don't know. He's a cool cat. I got him in one of the videos with the chickens. I named him O.J. Simpson because he stole our roast one day. Jumped out in the back of the truck. I'm unloading groceries at going house. Come out, and the cat's jumping out of the back of the truck with my roast, running across the yard. I didn't have a lot of money at the time, so of course I chased him down. I chased him through the woods, over branches. I finally grabbed his tail and let go of the roast. Took the roast in the house. Well, washed it really good. He didn't drop it before he got to the tree branch. He just dropped it in the leaves. So it was good roast. I'm glad I found it. Got to catch him. He didn't get away with the roast. So anyway, that's how he got his name, O.J. Simpson. I named my little black rooster Obama. He did have his wife with him, Miss Obama, but she took off. What happened to her? Maybe predator, I don't know. Something about it. Or she moved, who knows. Little black chicken. She was cute, I liked her. And I got a black and white mama cat, which I just call mama cat for right now. She needs to get fixed. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I gotta do something with her. Find her a home where I'll get her fixed or something. I really can't afford to get her fixed. I gotta try to save up the money and get her fixed. Because I can't have her having kittens all the time. The last batch of kittens that she had was the first batch that I know of. She had them all over the yard. And I guess she took care of them for a little bit. And then I find, I'd go and let the chickens out and come back, and there's 2 little kittens just laying there in the crack of the tree. I was like, wow. So my great friend Wendy, she was out in the back. Said, I'll take them and I'll wean them for you. We'll take care of them. I'm like, okay. I appreciate that. She did a good job. She's still doing a good job. So she's got them 2 kitties. Then I find another one. It's like, oh my goodness. I took it to her. I'm like, yeah. She's like, I'll take it up. I'm like, okay. So she's got the 3 kitties. And then she finds the black one back there. I guess part of the same litter. And then I find the red one. So I guess this cat has like 5 or 6 kittens. Found one over by the shed. That's the one they call Cheeto Puffs. He's so cute. He's a little red and white kitten. He's probably OJ's son. And I think that's it for the animals. I got some crows out there that are pretty cool. I have a lot of hawks, so I'm kind of glad to have crows, because crows keep the hawks away. And I noticed that the crows had babies. I dumped a bunch of tortilla chips out there one day. I heard the crows up in the tree. I looked up there and I saw the mother crow feeding the baby's tortilla chips. I'm like, oh, cool. I've been trying to track the crows. I want to make them a bath or a water fountain. But anyway, it's going to be a long video. I don't know if y'all are going to be hanging with me for 20 minutes. I'll try to make them shorter. But if you got nothing to do, might as well hang with me and Let me know what you're doing. Getting a chance to chat with some of the people, and that's pretty cool. Almost got this sub done. Really good sub. Sorry, man. A lot of them likes. Poor Minnie. A Minnie dog. I call her Minnie Mouse because she has a Minnie Mouse head on the side. Mickey Mouse. She's a girl, so I named her Minnie Mouse. I had an Aunt Minnie. I always loved her. She was good to me. So I named my dog after her. Anyone named their dog after a relative? I seem to do that a lot. Hi, Uncle Charlie. We had 2 dogs named Charlie. No, a dog named Charlie and my Charlie Brown horse. Pony. That sub is so good. Sub was gone. So anyway, I'm gonna let y'all go. Because I know video's getting kind of long. I don't think I missed any farm animals. My housemate's name is George. He's at work today. Shout out to my brother. Still hasn't watched my videos. He's the only one who knows. I guess. Guess I haven't watched them all. Okay. Anyway. Peace, love, and happiness to y'all. Hope y'all have a good weekend. Please eat something good and share something good with somebody. Be a good person. And we'll talk at you later. I'm glad to see y'all. And talk at you later. Have a good day.